Hi, I'm Kevin Farrell from Prius Healthcare and Moxie Enterprises. And today I'm introducing yet another new product to you guys. We've been hard at work in the lab. We've shown you the Ultra Convertible already, which is our new hybrid convertible mattress. We also showed you our Century Gold product, which is alternating pressure, on-demand low air loss, raised bolsters, stays inflated during a power outage. Now, here's the third new mattress we're going to show you for 2025. This one's called the Prius Rhythm Multi Plus. The Rhythm Multi Plus, just like a regular Rhythm, plus a couple extra added features. Before that, though, you guys know that I love to do automobile trivia. So whenever I do these Prius videos, my trivia question today is the city in which Prius is based in the Tampa Bay area is named for a very famous person in the automobile world. Know who that is? We'll get to that at the end. Rhythm Multi Plus, just like the regular Rhythm Multi, it has multiple types of therapy. It has static therapy for immersion purposes, where all the air cells are the same. It has pulsation, where the amount of air lowers and then raises every 60 seconds. And then it also has 3-in-1 alternating pressure. So, what makes this different? First one, new box. This box here is the M20 box, we call it. For those of you that have used either our Dynaflow or our Duet, you'll recognize this. A little more modern, a little sleeker looking, and it is a vertical shaped box instead of horizontal in terms of its footprint. Second, we've got an auto lock on this. So panel will automatically lock so that caregiver puts in whatever controls they want, lock the panel so nobody can disturb it. You push and hold, that'll unlock it, and then you're able to maneuver any of the controls. The third feature, the most important thing that really makes this a plus, this mattress has auto fouler. So there's a sensor cable right here and a G sensor within it. Once you get past about 25 to 30 degrees, ramps up. You'll see the light here letting you know that it's on fouler. It'll stay in that position until you put the head of the bed down. Once you do, then it'll turn off on its own. So those are the three differences of the Rhythm Multi Plus. New box, auto lock, auto fouler. That's what makes this a plus versus the regular Rhythm Multi. So thank you for watching this video. If you have questions about the Rhythm Multi Plus, contact your sales rep either by email or if you would like to call 813-854-5464, extension 2 for sales. You'll see that number below here. Give us a call. We're happy to talk you through any questions that you may have. Thanks again for watching this video. Oh, and that trivia question. So Prius is based in a city called Oldsmar, Florida. We're at the top of Tampa Bay. Olds is from Ransom E. Olds, who was the founder of the Oldsmobile Motor Company, one of the oldest car manufacturers, which is now, of course, part of General Motors. But he started our little community back in 1916. So Ransom E. Olds, the guy that started Oldsmar, where Prius Healthcare is located. Thank you, everybody. Look forward to talking to you again soon.